Hey guys, I am back with some more free Notion dividers for your Notion templates. And I'm just going to show you really quick how to use them, where to get them. So I have them here. This is as big as my template is, and then I have them here in a column. And here, I'll just show you really quick. So you can make them smaller. You can make them as big as you want. Up here is the full width of my Notion template. And these are super easy to use. They are as simple as, I have the PNGs right over here. So you'll get the whole file folder of PNGs. It's 5 PNGs, and you just grab the one you want and you bring it over here. This blue line right here shows that it'll go the full width. Otherwise, if I did this, it would go right under there. So I'll grab another one, and then in here, I have 2 columns. You could use them, just say if you wanted to put one at the top of, like, say, this section. There we go. And so you could use them to divide up your Notion templates however you want. You could just have one at the top, and you could use it throughout. This is the 7th set of free Notion dividers that I have so far. I'll show you really quick how to grab these. So here is my website. I haven't written an article about this one, but the instructions are super simple. You go here, you just enter 0, and you check out and you download it. And you can go through all of the items in my Notion shop. Right now, the stuff that I have here is all of my free stuff. My free Notion templates, these headers to divide up your columns, and these dividers. And you can add them all to your cart and check out at once. Download everything. So let me go back here. So it's just 5 PNGs. Drag and drop them. I do recommend maybe making a folder for Spec on a Spec so you can keep track of all the ones that you've downloaded. So when you come back, because I'll be adding more stuff. So let me know what kind of dividers, templates, headers for Notion you want to see next. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.